Guys, if you love trading crypto futures, but somehow you are stuck with fewer pairs with most of the big names out there, most of the big exchanges out there, then allow me to introduce you to Bitunix. Now, in Bitunix, there is a whole lot of amazing opportunities you can have with Bitunix. And Bitunix allows you to trade lots of pairs. And you know what that means? It means lots of opportunities in the market, because if you have a lot of pairs to trade from, then it means you can always have trades set up every day in the market and you can make money from your trades. So that is one thing I love about Bitunix. Now, this is just an overview of Bitunix, what it is, and how to start using Bitunix. Bitunix is a very great exchange. I have been using them for some times now. I've tried them, I've traded with them. It's a good exchange, and as a matter of fact, I have an amazing partnership with Bitunix. That's Blockchainplus have an amazing partnership with Bitunix, and I'm going to expose the partnership with you in this particular video. But before I go ahead to show you everything I have with Bitunix, you're welcome. This is Blockchainplus. If this is your first time of visiting my channel, please do well to hit the subscribe button. Also, turn on your notification bell icon so that you will stay in the know whenever I drop valuable videos like this. And also, if you love this kind of content, please do well to hit the like button and then drop your comment in the comment section telling me what aspect of this video you like, or if you have any question, just drop it in the comment section and I will do well to answer all of your questions for you. Now, with all of that out of the way, let us go back into the video. So like I said, this is Bitunix, and I have been using them and they are very great. The interface is smooth, sign up is smooth, everything is smooth on Bitunix. Now, if we just come to CoinMarketCap like this, if you come to CoinMarketCap like this and you click on exchange, so if you come to exchange, this is exchanges. If you go to exchanges on CoinMarketCap and you scroll all the way down, you're going to see Bitunix listed in this place. You can see it right there. You can see Bitunix here. So if I open it like this, you're going to see the trading volume they're generating on 24 hours. This is on spot. If I click on derivative, you're going to also see the trading volume. So you can see that a lot of people are using this exchange. Now, if I click on the summary, you can see the total exchange from both spot and derivative, which is futures. You can see that a lot of people are using this exchange. Now, if I also go to CoinGecko, so this is CoinGecko, and I also come down, you can see Bitunix somewhere in the list right here. You can see it right there, and you can see here is rank 8/10. So this is a very good exchange, although it's a newer exchange, but however, the exchange has gained ground. They've gained a whole lot of ground and they're doing very well, and more also, they have lots of pairs to trade from. So let's just go back to Bitunix so that I can show you everything that is on Bitunix. Now, if you come to their interface like this is their interface on the mobile app. Now, if you come down to this place, you can see the home right there. You can see market, and then okay, let me just use this. Let me go out of there and use this. So if I use this, you can see home, you can see market, you can see futures, you can see spot. That trade there is for spot, and this is your asset. So those are the interface, those are the buttons you have, or the navigations you have on Bitunix. So if I click on home, this is the home right here. We are on home. Then if I go to market, you can clearly see these are the trades you can see on market. Now in this place, you can see right here, this is spot and then this is futures, right? So you can see we are on futures, and on futures, if I just keep scrolling down, you can see the pairs. They have lots of pairs, and one thing I love about in platforms like this is because they give me the opportunities to trade every other day or every day in the market, because anytime I come here, because I have a lot of pairs to choose from, I will always find an opportunity to trade, right? A very good setup to trade. Now you can see there are lots of setups, there are a lot of pairs in this place, right? Now if you also come to spot, you can see that they have lots of pairs on the spot. So that gives you an amazing opportunity in the market. Now, if you come to the futures, this is just the place where you have set up for you to take your futures trade. So this is everything about the futures trade. You can see here you have open, you have where you place either limit order, market order, you have the prices, you have where you put your value, then you have your what, where you toggle the amount, then at the end you have here open long or open short, right? Now when you have a running trade, then you can also see your trades right here in the open order trade, right? So this is for futures, and on the futures they have the USDTM and CoinM. So of course I use the USDTM, that's the one I trade. And then outside you trading, you also have the copy trading, which is an amazing feature that they have also. So if you click on copy trading, you're going to see people that you can copy and copy their trade and make profit from if you don't want to trade yourself, right? So that is for the copy trading. Now if I click on the trade right here, if I click on the trade right here, you're going to see this is just for spot, right? This is for spot. So you can choose the pair you want to trade, just buy it. Now on spot, you can see you just have only buy. So you can just buy it and invest in it, right? Now if I click on the asset, now their asset interface or their asset dashboard is very sweet because of this feature that I have here that is opening here. Now if you see this feature, you can clearly see you have here, you have spot, futures, and copy trading. So it's definitely going to be showing you the amount you're earning or the amount you have on different platforms, either your sports, your futures, or your earn or your copy trading. So the earn is for those who want to stake, wants to earn a reward from their staking or other things that they're doing on the platform. So that is what you use the end for. So this is just how the interface is. You can clearly see how easy it is to use the interface. Now, an amazing part of my partnership with Bitunix is that I have a partnership bonus, a trading bonus, which has been packaged just for Blockchain Plus community. So if you want to make use of that package, and not just the package alone, I also have another amazing reward for those who will be using the partnership window, or who will be signing up using my partnership link or my referral link with Bitunix. So there are two bonuses, or there are two rewards you're getting. First, you're getting a reward from Bitunix with sign up bonus and trading volume bonus. Then secondly, you're also getting a reward from Blockchain Plus, because if you sign up with my link, you're going to get 1 month free VIP access to the Blockchain Plus VIP Signal group. Now this is the VIP Signal group. Let me just open it up for you. So this is the VIP Signal group which I just created. That means you have 1 month free access to this VIP Signal group, where I will drop trades for you to take, and then you're going to make lots of money trading with me. I'll be your guide. If you're new to this, I'm going to be your guide. I'll be sending you trades like this, just as you're seeing here. I'll be sending you trades like this for a whole 1 month. But all you need to do first is to sign up using the link which I'll be dropping in the description below. Once I drop the link, you sign up using the link, then you join this Blockchain Plus community. This is our Blockchain Plus community. You just join this community, you search for it on Telegram, join the community. Then you can also see the link right here. When you join the community, you can also see the link right here. You can join using that link. Then when you join the link and then you make your deposit, make a deposit of $100, you get $30 as bonus. You make a deposit of $500, you get $150 as bonus. You make a deposit of $1,000 and you get $300 as bonus. So those are the bonuses you get by signing up with this link. That is the only way you get the bonus. You must sign up with this link for you to get that bonus. Then also you can see other trading rewards, trading volume rewards. So if you trade for 50,000 volume, you get that reward. You trade for 100,000 volume, you get this reward. 500,000 volume, you get this reward. 1 million volume, you get this reward, and then 5 million volume, you get this reward. So these are the rewards you get, and mind you, this is for a limited time only. After the countdown expires, you cannot get these rewards and bonuses again, whether from them or from the Blockchain Plus VIP group. You're not going to get it again. So just sign up using the link. Then when you sign up, then you DM me with your sign up details, and then I will give you access to this Blockchainplus VIP group. All right, so that is how you get access to the VIP group and start trading with us. So how do you also make deposit? Deposit is very, very simple with Bitunix because they have P2P. So if you come to this place right here, if I click on this more right here, you can see that they have P2P. So let's just go ahead and look for the P2P. Let me see if the P2P is here because I saw it somewhere. Okay, so this is where you see the P2P. Sorry, you get the P2P from Buy Crypto. So you just go to Buy Crypto, click on Buy Crypto. You're going to see fiat deposit, credit deposit, then you're going to see P2P. So you click on the P2P and you make your deposit. So good thing, the P2P allows you to trade using Naira. So you can also use your Naira to make deposit and trade with their P2P, right? So this is a whole full package exchange that you can use to trade either spot, trade futures, copy trading, or you also do staking, and then you can easily make your deposit using their interface. But if you don't want to use their interface to make a deposit, you can also use other exchanges like Bybit to buy and then send it to this place. And in my next video, I'll be showing you how you can actually make deposit using other exchanges, or how you can also buy directly using the P2P platform in this place. So yeah, this is just me introducing you to Bitunix. So if you've been looking for a good exchange to trade futures, this is a better exchange that you can use to trade futures. Let me know what you think about Bitunix in the comment section below. If you love the interface, if you love the feel, the look and feel of the exchange, just drop your comment in the comment section. And also don't forget to use the link to sign up so that you get those rewards that I've mentioned for you, and also get access to my VIP signal group for 1 month. All right guys, that is it for me in this video. Till I come your way again, remain blessed.